Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, May 5 to 7, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday, we have the dominant tropical Easterlies. Easterlies surface wind flow, bringing some cloudy conditions and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, but overall it's hot and dry across the areas affected by this surface wind flow. So expect high temperature to reach as high as 25 degrees centigrade with heat index of up to 40 to 46 or 47 in areas affected by the easterlies. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA, just surface trough and wind convergence over the Micronesian islands. We have a frontal system bringing some cooler weather over Taiwan, southeastern China, and Japan. So in areas affected by the easterlies, expect some thunderstorms that could generate some flash floods, but these thunderstorms are slightly weak. And across Luzon, it will be dry and hot. And don't forget to drink lots of fluids to battle these high heat index conditions as of this time. And as we look at our latest data from Naga City, this is from the Livotan area, Barangay Livotan, from the Sweetvin T2K weather station. The highest temperature for today was recorded at 34 degrees Celsius at 12:22 p.m. with a high heat index of 45 degrees Celsius. So it's quite hot and it's really giving us lots of sweat. And don't forget to drink lots of water to battle this high heat index. So elsewhere across Naga City, it's around 44. So this is the highest in Naga. Elsewhere across the coastal areas of Camarines Sur, like Siruma, the heat index is only as low as 37 degrees due to a sea breeze reaching a high of 45 kph. And as we look at our fast animation, so you can clearly see some good conditions across the Philippine Islands. And as we focus on the zoom-in satellite animation, as of this time, there is a developing thunderstorm over the Ilocos region, particularly over the mountains of Cordillera and Ilocos Mountains. And elsewhere, some isolated thunderstorms are developed over the areas of northern and southern Cebu, Leyte. And also a small thunderstorm has formed Tinambak area, but it's only a quick one. Here in Naga, it's quite dry with no rain. And so far, that's the latest from our zoom-in satellite animation. Let's check out the rain and wind forecast from windy.com, courtesy of ESAM-WF for the next 48 hours. Tomorrow afternoon, we could expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in some areas of the Bicol region, eastern Luzon, as well as oriental Mindoro, Visayas, Palawan, and central and northern portions of Mindanao. And on Friday afternoon, some increasing thunderstorm activity will be expected across major portions of Mindanao as well as the western sections of Luzon, particularly the mountainous areas. So expect isolated thunderstorms to form, as well as over the southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro, and eastern and central Visayas. Also some isolated showers over Palawan and portions of the Bicol region. Okay, so far that's the latest. And as we look at our global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, this is the latest one. This is valid until May 18. So for week 1, May 5 to May 11, below average rainfall will be expected over much of Papua New Guinea, okay, as well as the island of Mindanao. That's why Mindanao right now is experiencing some diminishing rainfall for the past few days, and it's expected to prevail until May 11. But some isolated thunderstorms or patches of thunderstorms will still occur over that area. And as we move towards week 2, valid May 12 to May 18, there's a 50-50 chance of above average rainfall expected over the western Pacific as well as the Philippine Sea, but not over the Philippines. So the Philippines will remain normal, hot and dry conditions with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening during the second week. So that's it. That's the latest for today, Wednesday, until Friday. And we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.